and Engineering under VT University. Recently I have joined JSPIDERS and I have taken a Java full stack course, and my Java is taught by Keshav sir and Uday sir, and SQL is taught by Bhuvan sir, and web technology is taught by Syed sir, and faculties are very supportive and communicative, so I can understand very easily whatever the topic was taught by them. The HS sir are very supportive, so that they are giving a drives continuously, so we can crack the any interview easily. And recently I have joined with a very good package.